Welcome to the Dupli-Color Garage. My name is Brian, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve a unique colored effect over chrome or bright metal surfaces in just one easy step using Dupli-Color's Metalcast anodized coating. Now, Metalcast is a very unique finish for the fact that it is a clear coat colorized. So whatever you apply it over, that base substrate is going to shine through. Now, it is primarily designed to go over top of chrome, so that chrome finish shines through that colored clear. Now, if your substrate doesn't have a chrome or bright metal finish, we have it covered there as well. You can apply the bright metal coat, which will give you that bright metal surface where you can then apply the Metalcast color coat over top of that. Now, another unique property of this product, it is heat resistant up to 500 degrees. So you can apply it over wheels where wheels get hot from braking, and you can also apply it under the hood to hold up to those high heat environments as well. So I'm going to go ahead and refinish this chrome wheel with a red anodized coating. Now, a couple things to keep in mind here. Whatever condition the wheel is in is going to shine through since this is a colored clear coat. If the wheel is in poor condition, go ahead and lay down some of that bright metal coat, then the color coat over top of that. Something else here, we want to make sure the wheel is good and clean because prep is one of the most important steps of the paint process. So I'm going to use our multi-purpose foaming prep cleaner to spray this wheel down and make sure it is good and clean. I'll go ahead and mask it off and then lay down the red. Prepare chrome or bright metal surfaces by wiping them down with one of our wax and grease removers to ensure proper adhesion. If preparing a non-chrome or bright metal surface, remove any loose rust with a wire brush or heavy grit sandpaper. Do not sand chrome or bright metal surfaces before applying Metalcast color. Once the surface is clean and dry, mask off any areas to protect from overspray. Before applying, shake can vigorously for 1 full minute after mixing ball moves freely. Shake can for 10 seconds after each minute of use. Always remember to spray in a well-ventilated area. When applying Metalcast color over chrome and bright metal surfaces, apply in 4 to 5 light even coats, therefore not to run the paint. Since Metalcast is a transparent colored clear, each additional coat will darken the color. Ideal application conditions are when temperatures are between 60 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit with low humidity. Apply each coat to achieve desired look. Apply all coats within 1 hour, allowing 10 minutes between coats. For additional coats after 1 hour, wait 7 days for paint to cure. Dries to the touch in 1 hour, can be handled within 3 hours.